Top 5 dangerous warning signs. Your body needs baking soda water. As we age, strange things start happening in our bodies. You might feel more tired than usual, your joints ache when you wake up, or maybe your blood pressure is creeping up. But what if these weren't just normal signs of aging? What if they were signals from your body that it's struggling with something deeper, something as simple as excess acidity? Ignoring these warning signs could silently damage your kidneys, weaken your immune system, and even put your heart at risk. So here's the baking soda water benefits comes in. But most of the people think baking soda is just for baking cookies or cleaning your sink. But your body might be crying out for it without you even realizing it. Before we get into these dangerous signs, let's talk about what's actually happening inside your body, because this is where things get really interesting. Your body thrives when its pH stays slightly alkaline, around 7.35, 7.45. But as you age, stress, diet, and metabolic changes push your body toward acidity. The result? Chronic inflammation, sluggish energy, joint pain, kidney issues, and even high blood pressure. Your kidneys work overtime trying to neutralize this acidity, but over time they start to struggle. This is why baking soda water is so powerful. It's not just a home remedy, it's a scientifically proven way to help your body rebalance. But how do you know if your body desperately needs a pH reset? Let's start with the first warning sign, one that almost everyone misinterprets. Warning sign number 1, chronic fatigue and low energy. Okay, so imagine this. You wake up after a full night's sleep, but instead of feeling refreshed, you feel like you've been hit by a truck. Your limbs feel heavy, your brain is foggy, and no matter how much coffee you drink, the exhaustion lingers. If this sounds familiar, your body might be dealing with excess acidity. Here's why. When your blood becomes even slightly too acidic, your cells have to work harder to maintain balance. This disrupts the production of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the molecule responsible for cellular energy. Without enough ATP, your muscles feel weak, your metabolism slows down, and you experience constant fatigue. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that acidic conditions in the body impair mitochondrial function, the tiny power plants in your cells responsible for generating energy. This means your body is running on low power, like a phone stuck on 5% battery all day. Now you might think how baking soda water helps. Well, sodium bicarbonate or baking soda is an alkalizing agent that helps neutralize excess acid, reducing the strain on your body and allowing energy production to return to normal. Drinking 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking soda dissolved in a glass of water in the morning can help restore cellular energy, making you feel more awake and revitalized. But fatigue isn't the only way acidity affects your body. If you've been waking up with stiff joints or unexplained aches, the next warning sign will hit close to home. Warning sign number 2, joint pain and stiffness. Do your knees creak when you stand up? Does your back feel stiff every morning? Many people assume joint pain is just a normal part of aging. But what if it's actually a sign of excess acidity silently wearing down your body? Here's the science. When your body is too acidic, it pulls minerals like calcium and magnesium from your bones and joints in an attempt to neutralize the acid. This process weakens cartilage, increases inflammation, and accelerates arthritis. A 2015 study in Arthritis Research and Therapy found that chronic acidosis contributes to joint degeneration and inflammation, making conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis worse. Baking soda has been studied for its ability to reduce inflammation and improve joint health. In a study published in the Journal of Immunology, researchers discovered that a daily dose of baking soda water reduces the inflammatory response in the body, especially in the joints. This means that adding baking soda water to your routine could help reduce pain, improve mobility, and even slow down joint damage over time. So next time you hear someone blame old age for their aching joints, tell them it might just be their body screaming for a pH reset. But if joint pain is bad, imagine if your kidneys were silently under attack. That's exactly what's happening in the next warning sign. Warning sign number 3, kidney issues and urinary problems. Your kidneys are the unsung heroes of your body, working 24/7 to filter toxins and maintain the right pH balance. But when acidity levels are too high for too long, your kidneys take a serious hit, and you might not even realize it until damage has already begun. The first signs are subtle: dark-colored urine, frequent urination at night, or a burning sensation when you go to the bathroom. Over time, excess acidity makes your kidneys work overtime, leading to problems like kidney stones, urinary tract infections, and even chronic kidney disease, CKD. A groundbreaking study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that sodium bicarbonate supplementation can significantly slow the progression of kidney disease by reducing acid buildup. Researchers found that people with CKD who took a small daily dose of baking soda had better kidney function and lower risk of dialysis compared to those who didn't. How baking soda water helps. By neutralizing acidity in the bloodstream, baking soda reduces the workload on your kidneys, helping them function more efficiently. Drinking 1-2 teaspoons of baking soda in water a few times a week can help protect your kidneys and prevent long-term damage. Warning sign number 4, high blood pressure and heart health risks. Did you know that an acidic body can make your blood pressure spike? Most people think hypertension is all about salt, but here's the real culprit. When your body becomes too acidic, your blood vessels constrict, making it harder for your heart to pump blood. Over time, this leads to high blood pressure, arterial stiffness, and increased risk of heart disease, stroke, and even heart attacks. A study published in Hypertension Research found that chronic metabolic acidosis, high acidity, directly contributes to high blood pressure by causing oxidative stress and inflammation in the cardiovascular system. This means that even if you're eating healthy and exercising, high acidity could still be putting your heart at risk. How baking soda water helps. By neutralizing acidity and reducing blood vessel stiffness, baking soda may help regulate blood pressure naturally. Some studies suggest that maintaining an alkaline environment in the body can improve circulation and heart function, reducing strain on the heart over time. So if your doctor told you to cut back on salt, maybe you should also ask them about adding a little baking soda. And now, for the final warning sign, one that affects your body's ability to heal, fight off infections, and keep you disease-free. Warning sign number 5, slow healing and weakened immunity. Have you noticed that cuts, bruises, or wounds take longer to heal? Do you catch colds more often or feel like your immune system just isn't as strong as it used to be? This could be another hidden consequence of excess acidity. Your immune system thrives in an alkaline environment. When acidity takes over, it suppresses the function of white blood cells, making it harder for your body to fight infections, repair damaged tissues, and recover from illness. A study in Cell Reports found that high acidity levels weaken immune cell function, making people more prone to chronic infections and slow wound healing. In contrast, an alkaline environment boosts the body's natural defense mechanisms, allowing you to recover faster and stay healthier as you age. How baking soda water helps. Baking soda has been found to stimulate the production of key immune cells, helping your body fight inflammation and heal more effectively. Adding baking soda water to your routine can improve your body's ability to repair itself, a crucial factor for longevity and disease prevention. Before you go running to your kitchen, let's make sure you're using this remedy safely and effectively. The safe daily limit for baking soda, 1 or 2 TSP in water, 1 to 2 times a day. People with high blood pressure, sodium-sensitive conditions, or certain medications should consult a doctor. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.